Hi, today I will show you how I resolved the TLS error when configuring the PayPal module in PrestaShop 8, but before that, please subscribe my channel. Who knows, maybe in the future I will bring some more solutions that can help you. Problem: after setting up my PayPal merchant account, I receive a green check on SSL, but on the remaining lines I receive 2 red crosses. Now let's talk about some requirements that must be validated on your server or service provider. First, you need an SSL certificate. Second, you need to check the version of the OpenSSL and curl server modules. The minimum version of OpenSSL is 1.0.1c, and in the case of curl it must be equal to or greater than 7.34.0. You must contact your hosting provider to verify this data. Third, this was the point that took me the longest before I remembered to validate. Before reaching this point, I contacted the module developer who told me to check point 2 of this solution, and in the case of the hosting provider they were unable to give me any help. Until after some searching on the forums, I found someone who asked if the module was active. What I thought was that when configuring PayPal, it automatically becomes active. However, in PrestaShop this does not happen, and it is necessary to go to the module manager to manually activate the module. If this solution worked for you, please give me your like, and subscribe the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching my friend, and until next time.